Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by soaking and grinding the dal because texture dictates the classic soft interior. Once done, aeration is key. While the batter rests, make sure the stainless steel Medu Vada maker is spotless and lightly oiled to prevent sticking. Preheat the mold for a minute to stabilize temperature. This helps batter release cleanly. Now scoop a measured spoonful into the recessed cavity and tap gently so the batter spreads evenly. This first action sets shape and cooks uniformly. Once cavities are filled, you control thickness by filling halfway. That prevents soggy centers. Tamp lightly to eliminate large air pockets and to form crisp edges, and make sure you wipe any drip lines to keep the maker clean. Then close the lid or lower the heat depending on your maker. Consistent, moderate heat cooks vadas through without burning the exterior. If you need a crisp finish, a short burst of slightly higher heat at the end will brown the surface while preserving a fluffy inside. You finish by checking color and texture, golden brown with a springy interior, and remove each vada carefully to drain on paper towels. Once done, rest briefly so steam escapes and the interior firms. Serve hot for best texture. If a vada sticks, don't force it. Cool slightly and then ease out with a spatula, and next time reduce water or oil the mold more evenly. Remember, a slightly thicker batter binds better, while too thin causes spreading and sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.